Understanding Single Entry, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, single entry. It's a term you might encounter in various contexts, and we're here to make sure you understand it thoroughly. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. Single entry can be understood quite literally. It refers to one instance of entering. This concept is most commonly used in contexts like accounting, visa applications, and ticketing systems. In the world of accounting, single entry is a method where each financial transaction is recorded only once. Unlike double entry accounting, which uses debits and credits, a single entry system is much simpler. It's akin to maintaining a personal checkbook. When you apply for a visa, single entry specifies that you can enter the issuing country only once. After you leave, regardless of how long you stayed, the visa will not allow you to enter again. In terms of tickets, a single entry ticket would permit you to enter an event or location one time only. Once you exit, re-entry is not allowed with the same ticket. And that wraps up our discussion on single entry. We hope this video has clarified the term for you and you can now use it confidently in your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!